So, since the video about our friend Mufasa, people have been asking me about the spot in Colombia. Like, how large was it? How much did I pay per month? Things of that nature. So, it's 117 square meters. So, let me think. That's about 1,200 square feet. All right, this spot has 3 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. We just left out the half bath, so 3 full bathrooms and 1 half. This is Killmonger before he got updated. So if you've seen the updated version of Killmonger, he had a facelift. But yeah, man, living room really spacious. When I first got there, I used to love the balcony view because there was no apartment building in front. They built that building in 10 months. I'm talking about from the ground up, nothing was there. I could see all the way to it's not the ocean, that would have been the river. Because Barranquilla is where the river and the ocean meet. Actually, this neighborhood is called RioMar. RioMar means river sea or river ocean. So, view's still not bad. That park was built brand new. I was living there as well. Didn't get to enjoy it as much as I would like, but brother got to work. But the living room was spacious. You move a couple things around, you got your whole vibe. Love my kitchen, love the counter space, air fryer, coffee, necessity. And then we got Biggie, the NYC gold. And one of the first pieces of artwork that I purchased. Then I had this one made specifically by a beautiful artist from Cartagena. She lives in Portugal now, actually. And we got Nipsey, R.I.P. as well. And The Rock is in the building. For all that don't know, now you know. I always tell people I have a gym inside the spot, like actually inside the crib. So shout out to Ohaji, looking out on the exercise equipment that I never use. I prefer to go to the gym. And then, a brother been bald a minute. So got the hat collection, fitted hats, home, snapbacks, all of the above, paper planes. ¿Qué es lo que mi gente? Ya tú sabes. Entonces, got the Cubs representing, and you say Shy City, Atlántico. Shout out to Sam. Thank you for the hat, Sam. I appreciate it. And I think AG got me this one. This Bears hat. Your favorite DJ's favorite DJ. And it's an ice cold 1906 joint. Snapback. And also got to represent my brother, AG. And hold on. Let me forget something. Let's go back. Yeah, the Rocktown GOAT, Freddie V. Got the autograph joint and put that back in there. Trying to film and show things at the same time. So this is the guest bedroom. Very few people have stayed there. Headboard situation. I'm all up in the mirror. I think I was in my drawers that day. Full shower, functioning toilet, And also the spot has a TV in it for my guests, so if they don't want to be out in the living room, they can have a TV. I also have clothes in there, my own clothes, because I like to use the extra closet space. And this was the dartboard I got from my pops. R.I.P. Pops. You already know. I love that dartboard. And this was a painting. Well, someone got made for me. That's a picture from when he came to visit me in Cali. So, a little workspace, make content there, whole professional setup situation, and I don't know, I feel like the MTV Cribs. This is where all the magic happens. No magic happening here. It's just where I sleep. It's no television, no thrills, very pragmatic. Y'all know me. I'm not a minimalist, obviously, because, I have stuff, but I try to keep just what I need, right? His and her sinks, even though it's just him. Nice spacious shower. And then, a black man's dream. I got the walk-in closet. Try to keep my stuff separated. So yeah, man, this is the apartment pretty simple. I think this will run you unfurnished about $800 a month. Furnished could go up to about 1,200, 1,300 USD a month. So yeah, it's a big difference between furnished and unfurnished. All this stuff is pretty much mine. So this spot was unfurnished, so it's hitting me roughly $850 a month. I will say if you have the digital nomad visa or any type of extended visa, it's not too difficult to get an apartment in your name, but you will need a co-signer if you've been in the country less than a couple of years. So that's something to think about.